Hello, and welcome to our lesson on risk management in Agile Lifecycle. This segment will cover Agile risk management. On Agile projects, risk management transcends traditional formalities like documentation and meetings. Instead, it is seamlessly woven into Agile roles, artifacts, and events. For instance, the product owner continuously prioritizes and reprioritizes the backlog based on risks and stakeholder needs, while daily stand-ups provide a platform for identifying and addressing emerging risks in real time. Additionally, artifacts such as risk burndown charts visually represent the progress of risk mitigation efforts, aiding teams in monitoring and adapting to changing risk landscapes. Moreover, retrospective meetings foster a culture of reflection, allowing teams to evaluate past risks and refine risk management strategies for future iterations. Applying Agile principles significantly mitigates or eliminates many risks commonly associated with project challenges and failure. For instance, the principle prioritizing customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery of valuable software ensures that teams focus on delivering features with the highest business value, reducing the risk of delivering irrelevant or obsolete functionality. Embracing changing requirements harnesses change for the customer's competitive advantage, allowing teams to adapt to evolving market demands and mitigate the risk of delivering a product that fails to meet customer needs. Frequent delivery of working software provides opportunities for early feedback and validation, reducing the risk of developing solutions that do not align with user expectations. Furthermore, the principle of daily collaboration between business stakeholders and developers fosters shared understanding and alignment, minimizing the risk of miscommunication or misalignment between project stakeholders. Finally, measuring progress based on working software ensures that teams focus on delivering tangible outcomes, reducing the risk of project delays or cost overruns associated with incomplete or ineffective solutions. In Agile project management, project risks decline as the project progresses much faster than traditional projects. Agile methodologies are inherently designed to mitigate risks more effectively compared to traditional project management approaches. This can be further elaborated upon as follows. Incremental delivery. Agile projects are characterized by iterative and incremental delivery of features or increments of the product. Instead of waiting until the end of the project to deliver the entire product, Agile teams release smaller portions of the product at regular intervals, often referred to as sprints or iterations. This frequent delivery of usable increments allows stakeholders to provide feedback early and continuously, enabling the team to make necessary adjustments promptly. By delivering value incrementally, the project team can address potential issues and adapt to changing requirements, thereby reducing the overall project risk. Continuous risk assessment and mitigation. Agile methodologies emphasize continuous risk assessment and mitigation throughout the project lifecycle. Agile teams regularly assess project risks and actively work to address them during each iteration. By identifying and addressing risks early and continuously, Agile teams can prevent them from escalating into larger issues that could impact project success. This proactive approach to risk management helps to minimize the likelihood and impact of potential threats, thereby reducing overall project risk exposure. Adaptability to change. Agile methodologies embrace change and are designed to accommodate evolving requirements and priorities. Agile teams prioritize delivering the highest value features first, which means that even if the project faces unexpected changes or challenges, the most critical aspects of the product are addressed early on. This adaptability to change allows Agile projects to respond quickly to shifting market conditions, customer feedback, or internal factors, reducing the likelihood of major project setbacks or failures. Increased transparency and collaboration. Agile methodologies promote transparency, collaboration, and communication among team members and stakeholders. Regular meetings, such as daily stand-ups and sprint reviews, facilitate open dialogue about project progress, challenges, and risks. This transparency enables stakeholders to have a clear understanding of the project status and potential risks, allowing them to provide timely input and support risk mitigation efforts. Additionally, the collaborative nature of Agile teams fosters collective problem-solving and decision-making, enhancing the team's ability to address and mitigate risks effectively. By delivering value frequently and actively managing risks throughout the project lifecycle, Agile teams can increase the likelihood of project success and deliver products that meet stakeholders' expectations. Agile methodologies offer a variety of concepts and practices that enhance risk mitigation throughout the project lifecycle. Some of these concepts are reducing risks through iterative practices. Agile projects mitigate risks through iterative practices. Work is divided into manageable sprints, lasting 1 to 4 weeks, allowing teams to identify and address risks early. Delivering working increments of the product at the end of each sprint enables stakeholders to validate progress and provide feedback, reducing the risk of delivering a product that falls short of expectations. Regular sprint reviews and retrospectives facilitate continuous improvement, aiding teams in adapting to changing circumstances and mitigating risks effectively. Close collaboration between the product owner and the development team ensures clear understanding of requirements and alignment of priorities, mitigating the risk of developing a product that fails to meet stakeholder needs. This iterative approach fosters risk reduction by emphasizing feedback, adaptation, and collaboration throughout the project lifecycle. Definition of done, DoD. The definition of done establishes the criteria that must be met for a user story to be considered complete. By defining clear acceptance criteria, including testing and documentation requirements, Agile teams ensure that each increment of the product is of high quality and meets the desired standards. This reduces the risk of delivering incomplete or subpar work. Self-funding projects. Agile projects can mitigate financial risk by adopting a self-funding approach. By delivering value incrementally and frequently, Agile teams can generate income from early releases of the product. This income can then be reinvested into the project to fund further development, reducing the need for external financing and mitigating financial risks associated with project funding. Failing fast. Agile projects embrace the concept of failing fast, which encourages early and frequent validation of assumptions and ideas. By identifying and addressing critical problems within a few sprints, Agile teams can avoid investing significant time and resources into developing a product that may ultimately fail to meet market needs. This iterative approach to development helps to mitigate the risk of developing a product that does not resonate with users or achieve desired outcomes, saving both time and money in the long run. These Agile concepts and practices work in tandem to mitigate risks throughout the project lifecycle, enabling teams to adapt to changing circumstances, deliver high-quality products, and achieve project success. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we will continue discussing Agile risk management. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.